Good morning to everyone. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Gurmeet Singh Ji, and Professor Rajiv Jain Ji, Director, and Professor Amrish Samatrai Ji, Registrar, Professor Lagar, Finance Officer, Professor Prabodh Singh, Librarian, and we are just waiting for the Dean, Professor K. Chandrasekhar Rao. And apart from that, actually we have the bank officers who are involved in this. Mr. Anbarasu, who is the Indian Bank Manager at Pondicherry.
Who joined recently.
Yes, sir. We also have actually Anand Babu, who is the DGM from this Indian Bank. He also joined with us. Apart from that, actually the people who are behind this today's program is launching of DDS website and also online payment gateway. This is the one actually we were struggling for the last couple of years, and it has come to the reality. There are some many issues of legal issues which we sorted out. Now it is working actually. Yesterday onwards we started actually admitting the students. We want to see the piloting. We already admitted 9 students that they are working perfectly. The payment also done from various banks is no problem. But formally we want to actually get a launch from the Honorable Vice Chancellor. That is we made this actually program here. And the people behind that actually our own computer center, actually Mr. Ashok, Mr. Kalesh Valli and all his team members. And also apart from that, actually we have the bigger team from the Delhi University, the South Campus, where we have Samath team from Delhi who are involved in that, actually the half of the program, which is there actually Sharmila and Meharuddin and Somesh Pathak. These are all the members actually who are involved in that program. So all these members actually contributed in building this program. And the website is taken care by from our computer center. The back end actually all the rest of the system development is taken from the Delhi University side of course. So I would like to thank from the universities, from actually the DDS side, helping us actually making this reality, because this is the one we are expecting. Everything we want to actually at par with the regular admissions we want to do the DD also, because DD will be able to get more revenue, more number of candidates and so on. So now it has become reality. We all will, my team, myself and my all team members will be working day and night actually try to get actually as many admissions as we can. And another happy news I would like to tell actually, I would like to thank the Joint Secretary, Honorable Vice Chancellor, who has put actually maximum effort in getting actually 20 programs approval from the AICT and actually they have actually. So we were running only 12 programs, but this year actually we have actually 20 programs, 8 MBAs, 8 UGs and actually 4 PGs. That is something which many people they didn't get it of course, and we are the first to get it of course. And we need to work hard. Definitely we'll be able to raise the revenue for the university. So in this actually I would like to request Honorable Vice Chancellor actually they launch the website and the payment gateway. Then afterwards we will try to explain the system of course. Thank you very much, sir.
Well, friends, very good morning to you. It's a very happy occasion, and I'm delighted to be here for 2 reasons. That our DD had gone through some rough patch in between, because for a good length of time we did not take the approval of AICT for our management courses. Not that our intentions were that, but people were not aware of, and that's the way things work in the universities. They thought that we are central university, we may not be requiring this. Whereas the necessity was that we did need this, and we probably didn't follow. So that was the reason that somehow we had to give a kind of break in between for about a year. But then all this has been, we completed all formalities and we presented, we gave our strong points. And let me share with you that if you talk about the DD programs which are on currently in many universities, I'm not saying 1 or 2 or only in the neighboring universities, or for that matter in some of the premier universities of the country, including University of Delhi, if you compare the facilities that we have and what they are having, we outclass them, we outnumber them, and we are far ahead of these people. For example, anybody who goes to University of Delhi's DD center, it is not even one fourth of what we have, let me tell you, in terms of area, in terms of building, in terms of resources, computers, whatever. But I'm saying, when I tell you the number of students they are handling in that small building with certain number of DRs and ARs, the number is about 3.5 lakhs in that building. And everything is online there also. They hold lectures, they hold classes for so many students. But on Saturday and Sunday, all colleges of University of Delhi are engaged in this. All colleges. And people come and teach. That is what is called contact programs. So in terms of the resources and other things, we stand out and we are much ahead of others. Only thing is we all need to put our wings together and make it more popular. We have already moved ahead in that direction. Many of the ranking agencies have started ranking us fairly high. And yesterday, or I think few days back, Outlook has ranked our management schools. We never figured in anywhere in that table. Now we are, what number is it, 7th?
In university 7, sir.
Yeah, so we are 7th in terms of this. When they rank, they consider all these facilities and all these parameters which I've talked about. For example, with some of the premier institutes, if they compare, and they compare with us, we are much ahead. So obviously all these things they have put it. Yes, in terms of number of students, the admissions and all, we are taking off slowly. And when they compared all this, we were placed on a very good pedestal. We are 7th, which is a matter of great pride for all of us. Now when we do admissions this year, and next year when they'll compare, we'll be much ahead of many others. So this is a very heartening news for which every one of us should be given appreciation. It's a collective effort. And now with this DD portal and online admissions portal being launched, it will add to the convenience of public as well as in general for the students. Everybody will be able to take admission online. One would be able to save time, energy, money, everything will be there. And online admission, all things will be done online in terms of looking at your schedule, classes, courses, everything will be there. And the exams will also be done that way. And all information, providing of date sheet, contact materials will be there on this. So this will put a lot of convenience for the public. And once people will see that this is there, obviously more people will join in. Other thing we have done of late, which you may not be aware of, is the training program. We have added many more colleges. So they will also add strength to our numbers. Gradually, of course, as I said, we will grow by leaps and bounds in the years to follow. So it'll be it's on a right track, and I'm sure we will be in for some good progress. Therefore, I'm delighted to be here to inaugurate this particular website. This was needed. This was the need of the hour, and we have done it. We have come out with this. I hope DD will be convenienced through this, and public also would appreciate all this. So I'm happy to do this launch and hope that our DD will continue to move ahead and will be, in the years to come, it will be compared to the best in the country. In terms of resources, we are best in the country because I have seen many of these, but it'll, from all angles, it will be the best in the country. That's about it. Wonderful. I give my compliments to all the team who have designed this particular web portal, and I hope it will continue to be maintained that way in functional order, right? That's what it is. Thank you very much. And
Before launching, we would like to felicitate our Honorable Vice Chancellor. DD, you don't get the opportunity.
Okay.
All
thank you. All right. do it in the best of ways. That's
Yes,
it.
sir.
Fine.
We are the first in the country to offer actually job fair. And December again.
These
we are
things we
going to-
highlighted when we were talking about this in
Yes.
front of the AICT
Yes,
team,
sir. Yes, sir.
and we said we deserve to have it.
Again, this year we are going to do in December, sir,
Right.
online. This will be about 10 days.
Good, good.
Well, really, we are the only one in the
Do it
country.
and give enough publicity.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good.